In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BeeHiiv referral code. If you're looking to share your BeeHiiv experience with friends or earn rewards through referrals, finding this code is an important first step. We'll do this together, step by step, as we navigate through the BeeHiiv platform. To begin, ensure you're logged into your BeeHiiv account. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard. The dashboard provides access to a range of features and is your central hub for all activities on BeeHiiv. It's really important to become familiar with it, as it's where you'll manage your account and access various tools. Now you'll need to click on the Partner dashboard. This is where you will find options related to the BeeHiiv Referral program. Think of it as your gateway to joining BeeHiiv's network of partners who earn rewards for bringing new users to the platform. Next, on the Partner dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Select an Option. Go ahead and give that a click. This is a drop-down menu that will allow you to specify what action you want to take within the partner program. Each option may lead to different paths and tools, so it's useful to know exactly what each does. Following that, select the option labeled Other. This might seem a bit non-specific, but it's the pathway you need to take to proceed towards finalizing your association with the partner program. This step ensures you're heading in the right direction as we narrow down the referral code feature. Now you'll see another prompt asking you to accept the guidance and policy. This is an essential step, and it's crucial to read or skim through the policies provided to understand the terms and conditions involved with the partner program. Once you're satisfied, click on the I accept the guidance and policy button. This acceptance is necessary to proceed with joining the partner program. Finally, now that you've accepted the terms, you'll see the option to join partner program. Clicking this will confirm your participation and establish you as part of BeeHiiv's partner initiative. Joining the program is a seamless process, but it's great to verify all details before finalizing your participation. Once these steps are complete, you'll be given access to your BeeHiiv referral code. This code can now be shared with those you want to refer to the platform. Remember, there might be specific benefits associated with these referrals, so keep an eye on any communication from BeeHiiv regarding incentives. And there you have it. You have successfully located your BeeHiiv referral code. It's a simple process, but it opens the door to not only enhancing your own experience on the platform, but also helping others join the community. Thanks for following along, and happy